Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to make $250 every day in 2019. Now, it's not often I get super excited, but this is an amazing method, and the best bit is I've actually discovered this myself. It's something I played with a while ago and I thought, I wonder if this still works, and it does, guys. This is a great, easy method to make $250 every day, and it's going to cost you nothing to do it. Okay, because there's a way of doing it for free. So what I'm going to show you in this video, guys, is the website you're going to go to make money, exactly how you need to do it, how you're going to get paid, and the best bit is you can do this over and over again. Now, you can make $250. That's what I would charge. You can charge $99. You can charge $300. $250 is what I've charged before. And honestly, you could do this 10 times a day. You can do this whenever you want. This is a passive method. It literally takes 15 minutes to do it, and then you put it out there and you can make some big money. Now watch this video to the end, guys. Why? Because I'm going to show you how you do it, how it works, but I'm going to show you my secret software that's going to absolutely double the speed that you do this, all right? Double the speed and double your income, okay? This is one of the best videos I've done. It 1,000,000,000% works. Do what I show you, and you literally will not go wrong. Now, do me a favor, guys, please hit the subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get to see my latest videos, you get to see all my notifications, and you get to try things out first, which means you get to make money first. The other thing I'm doing for you guys today is I'm giving you some free training. Below this video here is a link. Just click that link there, and it takes you to 7 videos that I've put together all about affiliate marketing and how I make money. Okay, I do this part-time. I do easily $100 a day, in fact $200 most days plus, and I'll show you exactly what I do to make that money. So that's it, guys. Settle down to the video now. It's quite a lot to take in. It's well worth watching. It's well worth implementing, and I'm telling you now, you can't go wrong if you do this right, and you can make some serious money using this method. So I'm Bobby D. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the inside. Right, guys, so this is all about taking advantage of things, okay? There is so many ways of making money out there, honestly, that people just don't take advantage of it. And I'm going to show you a brilliant method here that you could easily turn into a full-time income, easily, and do this every single day, all right? So what we're going to do here, we're going to type something into Google, and we're going to type in dentists London. I'm going to hit enter. So it brings up a list of dentists in London, okay? As you can see, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, whatever. So out of interest, we're going to go to videos and see how many videos are on dentists in London. There's a couple of videos, as you can see there. But if we go back, the point I'm getting at, if we go back, so let's just pick, I don't know, we'll pick this guy here because I looked at this earlier. Joe Oliver Dentist, right? So let's type in Joe Oliver Dentist. Hit enter. That's his site again. But let's have a look at a video. So he actually does have a couple of videos. There's a Twitter one. There's a Facebook one, but there's nothing on YouTube, all right? Now, as we know, video is the biggest seller in the world. Forget Facebook, forget Twitter, Instagram. People want to watch videos, right? And that is where the money is. Now, you can look on Fiverr and you can see how much people are charging for videos. In fact, let's jump over and have a quick look. So just as an example, I've just hopped over to Fiverr. And this guy says, I will do your videos, £336. Let's do it by, oh, that's fine. £208, £29, £127. It's big money there for people to make your videos. And that is just the standard. The premium's 842, and that's for 60 seconds running time, all right? That is ludicrous. Just have a look at it. So as you can see, there's big money in video. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take Joe Oliver as an example. So first of all, for me, what you need to make sure he's got a Facebook site. And it says here Facebook, because that's how we'd contact him. So he's got a Facebook site, tick. Right? This is his Facebook site. Great. I'll tell you what we can do with this quickly. Let me just save that picture of him like that. I'll show you why in a minute. So if we need to contact Joe Oliver, we could do it via this Facebook page. It says here replies in a few hours. So that's really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a site called Content Samurai. The link is below here. Now that is, at the moment, it's a video making software and it's free for 7 days, all right? And then you pay a monthly fee. This is without doubt the best bit of software I've ever seen, period, in my life. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. So what you do is you go to new video. Now I've started this one already and I'm just going to show you it here. So you go into create video and the first page you get is this. And what you do is you go back to your Google search for Dr. Joe Oliver, go to his website, and what we're going to do, we're going to cut and paste bits of his website out. So why choose us? And you go down here, and what I've done is I've cut and pasted all this text here, all this, the whole lot, all this text into Content Samurai, and here it is here. You just literally cut and paste it in, okay? You then go to scenes, and this is where you can change things around. You can change the video and stuff. Now what Content Samurai does, which is what is super clever, is it looks at the words that you've put in here, like this, Dr. Oliver, and it guesses what background you want. So it knows that this video is about dentists, and it starts putting various backgrounds in to do with dentistry, as you can see. Now let me just scroll to the bottom. You can change all these, and it splits up all that text that we put together into slides, like this. Okay, honestly, it's unbelievable what it's done. So that one there, I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't obviously get it right. So I put that one in there because it's talking about the national press. Put that one in there. The Daily Mail. Put some pictures in there. Magazines. Put that in there. Okay. So you can search on anything here. Like if I let's go to the top again, just show you guys what I'm talking about. If there was a slide that we didn't like, let's just go right up here, see what we grab here. Just gonna wait for the pictures to turn up. We can change that. So if we didn't like that, which to be fair I don't, so we just type in teeth or dentist or doctor or hospital, and you can change it here. So let's change it to, I think I've already used that one. Let's change it to that one. Okay. So it's super easy to use. It puts all the text and everything for you already. And obviously you can change all this. You can change the text, the writing, you can move it around. You can have a voiceover that talks, or you can have music. Now I would just have music for this. So what you do now, you're just going to hit preview. All right, this is how easy this is, guys. It does it all for you. So it's going to preview the text that I put in, and it's going to preview the images that I've put in the background, okay? So let's see what it says now. Now it's going to be a little bit jerky because it's not in full resolution yet, all right? So we hit play. And it's taken all this text from the text I pasted in. It's pulling out the images that it thinks it should use, but we can change them. I mean, it's just genius. So what I wanted to do, actually, I've just remembered something. So we can stop that. Let's go back to scenes. Because I screenshotted his face, didn't I? Dr. Oliver. I managed to find a picture of him. So what we could do, we could add that one there. Let's change that. Let's upload an image. There he is there. Drag that in there. And now everyone can see who Dr. Oliver is. Right, so we'll put that image in there. So let's start again. Let's preview it again. And this, the best bit is this only takes like 30 seconds to preview. It's such a great bit of software. So just wait for it to load up again. And you can adjust the timing, the speed, everything. So let's have a look. And it goes on. You can also add a voice to it. You can also add a voice to it if you wanted to, and it will speak the script. So what you would do now, you've got your video, you would then go to Facebook, email Dr. Oliver and say, I've got this video. There are no videos on your company on YouTube, on Google, and I'll put it on. And then send some backlinks to it, and you can get that ranking. And there's a number of ways you can charge him, because obviously you're going to upload that video onto your YouTube channel. So you could charge him $250 for the video, and then $50 a month to keep it on your website. $100 a month on your YouTube channel, sorry. It's just such a great opportunity for passive income here, guys. I think you should, it's one of the best methods I've got here for you. It's a no-brainer, and it's brilliant. So Content Samurai, as you can see, the link's below here. It's a 7-day free trial. If you click my link, you'll get it free for 7 days. You can't get that anywhere else. And just do it and try it out. I've bought this. It's the best bit of software I've ever bought. And it can seriously, seriously change your life. It's brilliant. So I'm Bobby D, guys. Thank you for listening. It was a bit of a long video. I'll speak to you soon.